Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the Daily SPY report for Wednesday, January 19th, 2022. Before we jump into the charts, just as usual, want to encourage you to please click subscribe. Please click like each and every time you see any content uploaded by Wicked Stocks onto the Wicked Stocks channel. It does help us out a great deal with whether or not we're found early in anyone searching for, S&P 500 analysis, SPY analysis, so forth and so on. And subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, and that will allow you to see the material when it's fresh and relevant for trading. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. We spent a good part of Tuesday, especially in the afternoon, testing what I consider to be midterm support for the SPY. It begins at 455.58 and ends at 453.46. These two channel formations able to contain selling into, possibly through February trade. And from here, now that we've tested it, we can push into the low 480s over the next few weeks. With this kind of volatility, we could actually reach 482.17 over the next 2 to 3 weeks. And this, of course, assumes that we will hold the 453.46 to 455.58 area. Let's take a look at the support and resistance for today. You can see 453.46 to 55.58 highlighted here. This is the area that can contain selling through February and above which we can reach 482.17 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and even into the 490s as we continue into, the timing of that is obviously impossible, but I'm going to just say March, perhaps. Anyway, let's talk upside today. I've got 459.90 that can contain intraday buying pressures, and once tested, we could fall back into the mid 450s again within the day, but pushing or opening today above 459.90 would allow 464.73 within the day, where I would expect a daily high. And if we close above 463.73, then we should reach 472.18 within just another 2 to 3 days. 472.18 is nothing more than a simple channel top right now that, if tested, say between now and the end of next week, can contain buying on a 2 to 3 day basis, possibly a weekly basis. From there, we could fall back into the mid 450s within 3 to 5 days, given this presently heightened volatility. But if we were to close above 472.18, then we're just another 3 to 5 days away from reaching that 482.17 formation, where we can top out at least on a weekly basis, possibly into later February trade. Let's take a look at the downside. If we break or perhaps open below 453.46, 450.50 is likely. We could get a decent intraday bounce there, but be careful. Selling pressures may pour in today the further south we get of 453.46. And if we break 450.50, then 447.25 is in reach today, where we can place a daily low. Now, overall, closing below 453.46 should yield, I'm going to say it could actually be by this Friday's close, quite possible. But by the end of next week, at the very latest, I think it's likelier to be within 2 to 3 days, but it could stretch into next week. The 439.39 longer-term channel bottom becomes, let's just call it a 3 to 5 day target below 453.46. That formation at 439.39, able to absorb selling into the second quarter, and above which we still exist within the confines of a long-term bull market by that measure. And the channel top is at 491.19. So, I'll say that if we test 439.39 over the next few weeks, for instance, then the 491.19 formation in reach as we continue into Q2. And that's just all big picture from what I see. Anyway, I will leave you with the support and resistance for today. You can print it off your smartphone or your desktop. And please click like each and every time you watch the Daily SPY Report. I really appreciate it. It helps us out a great deal. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel if you haven't already. I will be back tomorrow for Thursday's Daily SPY Report. You have a great day.